So hello everyone. Let's talk about our next question. So this question has been asked in the NEET PG 2022. Okay. Now here the question is route of metastasis of the prostate cancer to the lumbar vertebrae is. So the options are transulumic spread, lymphatics, prostatic venous plexus, and inferior vesical vein. So let's try to understand your prostatic venous plexus is going to be the answer here. So in case of prostate cancer, it has been seen most commonly metastasized towards the bone, especially your lumbar vertebrae and the pelvis. Now, this metastasis typically seem to be involved through the hematogenous route. Now, among the hematogenous route, the main responsible venous plexus that is known as the Batson venous plexus or the prostatic venous plexus. Okay. Now, let's try to understand regarding this prostatic venous plexus. So, there is a deep pelvic vein is there, and also there is a internal vertebral venous plexus. Among these two venous structure, there is a connecting venous plexus that has been there, which is known as the prostatic venous plexus. Now, this prostatic venous plexus, these are the valveless venous plexus, which basically communicate between two venous structure, right? As a result of increased intra-abdominal pressure, it basically associated with a retrograde venous flow towards the vertebral venous plexus, right? So, in case of a prostate cancer, there is a seeding of the tumor from the prostatic venous plexus towards the vertebral venous plexus, and there is involvement of lumbar vertebrae, okay, especially your lumbar spine. Okay, so this is how your patient with a prostate cancer can be presented with a lumbar spine metastasis, right? Let's try to understand the other option. So, in the other option, we have the transulumic spread. So, transulumic spread means the cancer or the tumor spread through the peritoneum, which has been seen typically with a ovarian cancer, stomach cancer, and the pancreatic cancer, not in case of prostate cancer. Regarding the lymphatic spread, yes, lymphatic spread has been seen with a prostate cancer, but here the involved structure due to the lymph node involvement, that is obturator and the internal iliac lymph node has been seen, and not the bony metastasis. Okay. Now your inferior vesical vein. Look, let's try to understand. Your inferior vesical vein is the main vein that has been supplying in the bladder and the prostate. Okay, but there is no connection that has been set up in case of a vertebral column. Now, in case of inferior vesical vein, that seems to be the main venous drainage for the bladder and the prostate, but it is not the main route for the vertebral column in such cases. Okay, so it doesn't connect directly with a vertebral venous plexus as of the Batson venous plexus does, right? So that's why your answer is going to be in this case prostatic venous plexus, right?